Now, in addition to these divisions of the Quran, we find that the bigger surahs have been divided into rukus. These rukus, they are in the mostly Indian and Pakistani published Qurans, Musahif. In now the Quran which is being published in Arab countries, we don't find this division, but there are smaller ahzab. Now all this terminology is of a later period. It was not present in the days of the Prophet or the companions. These are the later additions. The bigger surahs were divided into rukus so that in one ruku, rakat of salah, one part is recited, so that the subject is complete. It's not broken somewhere. And this division was made in the time of Hajjaj ibn Yusuf, the cruel man. But he did something very good also. Quran before Hajjaj ibn Yusuf, it was without dots, without any punctuations, without nuqtas. It was all simple, text. But then in his time, these things were added. Because now, very many people who were not Arabs, they had entered the fold of Islam. Now they couldn't understand the text without these things. There should be one dot with ba, there should be two dots, upper dots with ta, there should be, with sa, three dots. But before that time, there were no dots at all. There were no signs of zabar and zayd and pesh, zamma, fatha or kasra. No. All these things were added in the times of Hajjaj ibn Yusuf. But the Quran was being recited. Actually, I told you that this Quran has been conveyed from mouth to mouth as a spoken word. Recitation was there, but when it was being written, it was without these things. These punctuations, these dots, these harakat, they were added in the times of Hajjaj ibn Yusuf. And in addition, the bigger surahs were divided into smaller sections of rukus. There are 35 surahs out of 114, which consist of one ruku only, because they are small and they can be recited easily in one rakah of the salah. But the bigger the surah becomes, now there are some that have two rukus, then with three, and so on. And Surah Al-Baqarah we find having 40 rukus. So these are all sections meant for reading, recitation in the prayers.